Whether you're eager to get camping or you're ready to hit the road, no one enjoys waiting for what seems like an eternity to raise or lower your fifth wheel. Heartland puts an end to this hurry up and wait scenario with hydraulic landing gear that's 15 times faster than conventional electric jacks. And since a picture is worth 1,000 words, we've placed similar fifth wheels side by side to demonstrate the tremendous time savings you'll enjoy with hydraulic landing gear compared to typical electric jacks. Standard on many Heartland fifth wheel models, our hydraulic landing jacks also provide twice as much lifting capacity as electrical systems. Not only that, our hydraulic jacks are more stable with 9-inch round pads and heavier gauge steel in the legs. As you can see, Heartland's hydraulic landing gear runs circles around electric jacks. I'm Pat Mulroy, reminding you that home is where your Heartland is.